In AutoCAD, electrical wiring diagrams are associated to each other and the diagrams can be grouped or assembled as a project to copy deletes, activates a project or modify information which is related to the project. Project Manager can be used generally. The Project Manager is docked on the left of the screen. If it is not displayed, you can choose Project tab and then select Manager 2. And finally the Project Manager will be displayed. Moreover, you can place the Project Manager at the desired location that you want. It will be undocked and displayed separately on the screen by double-clicking on the title bar of the Project Manager. It is possible to hide the Project Manager if you don't want to use it here. You can double-click on a project name in the project's rollout and group of drawings which are related to the project will be shown. You can see the active project that is shown in Balzac's and the project's rollout. To activate any project you can just right-click on it, then select Activate. Therefore, the selected project will move to the top of the list in Balzac's and will become an active project. Also, the details of the chosen project will be available in this frame. It is impossible to create two projects with the same name and the Project Manager. You have to notice that. Now, I want to show you the procedure to create a project. In order to create a project, you need to click on the New Project button and the Project Manager to create a new project dialog box will be displayed for you. And the Name Added box, you need to enter the name of the project that you launched while doing this part. The W extension will be added to the file name automatically. WDP project forward is a text file which is made of interrelated drawings. When you remove drawings at Drawings, update the project properties and so on. Project Manager will update the WDPI forward. The Create folder with the project name checkbox has to be selected. Therefore the name of this created folder will be same as the project name. For saving the project, you can use the Location Added box to specify the location here. Select the Browse basin to choose your desired location. Now you can click on the OK button to create project files and yet desires folder. You can use the settings from an existing project to do that. You can copy the settings and utilize the copied setting in a new project. Therefore, in the Cubby's settings, define the name and the location of the existing project file. To do so, select the Browse basin. Then the Select Project File dialog box will be shown for you. Find existing project forward that you want, then choose it. As you can see, when you choose a project, the settings of it will be applied to the new project. By default, the location of the specific project is displayed here. To the description after project, click on that description, boson, you can write in the lines. There are descriptions of your project. If you want to add the description line to your report, you have to click on the Iran report checkbox to save the descriptions. Click on the OK button. After creating the project, it will be added to the project manager. Moreover, it will become an active project and it will be shown in both text and other way to create a new project. It just by right-clicking and the project's rollout. As you see, so-called menu will be shown and you can select the new projects. In this section, I'm going to talk about creating new drawings, an active project. To do this from the Project Manager, select a new drawing. Also, there is another matter to choose, a new drawing, which is by right-clicking on the projects. Rollout of the Project Manager, the creative drawing will get added to the active project automatically. You have to insert the name of the drawing file and the name added box and dot. The WG extension will be added to the drawing name and the template added box. You have to specify the path and the name of the template drawing. Also, you can select it Browse button and choose the template drawing from this dialog box. Now it and the location of the template will be shown for you and the location added box. You have to enter the location of the new drawing by default. You can see the director of the active project file and that box to browse basin can be used to specify your desired location for the new drawing. Notice that you cannot create identical drawings at the same location. You can use description added box to insert description for a drawing. If you enter a description earlier drawings, you can select a new description from the drop-down list. When you intend to use the IS drafting a standard, the ISA style designators can be applied. This option, I mean the description edit boxes, the ISA style designators area sheet values area. And also choosing the oak properties is optional and they can be edited later. After specifying a drawing file name in the name edit box, the OK button will be activated here in the active project. The new drawing will be added automatically and it appears in bulk text. If there is an existing drawing, it is possible to add it to the current project. To do this, just right click on the project name and from this so-called menu, select to add drawings, select the add button. To enter the drawing and to open a message box, if you select yes button, the default values of a project will be added to the WDM block of the newly added drawing. But if you select know what's in the drawing, the new drawing also will maintain its existing settings. Moreover, the selected drawings will appear at the end of the project drawing lists. Now I want to explain how to copy a project. To copy the drawings and the project, you can apply copy to. You have to close all drawings of that project before copying them. To do this, from the project panel of the project, to select a copy to, Another matter to copy is writing the copy command and the command line. I'm doing so. Just keep mouse on the copy and read the command and then write it in the command line. Then press enter. Then you can see the cockpit dialog box will be displayed for you here. You have to select existing project to copy, and the next step, enter the name and pass of the existing project and the entire existing project name added box to select the existing project. Choose the Browse Basin. Next, double-click on the project folder that you want to copy. Here you can see that the WDP file now shows the Open button. The name and the price of the existing project will be displayed for you to copy the currently active project. You can select this person, copy active project, and then select OK button. And the final edit box ain't a name. And select the pass for the new project. Now, choose to save what's in here. You can see a list of drawing files, and based on your requirement, you can choose the drawings that you need to be copied. Therefore, you can select them, and in the next step, use the process. What's in the selected drawings will be moved to Process dialog box to the bottom list from the top list of the selected drawings. After that, select OK. What's into the base pass for the project drawings wizard will be displayed here. You need to specify the directory password. The new project will be saved. You can specify the project-related files that is needed to be copied to the project that you want to create. In the Select Project-Related Files, selected checkboxes on the left of the respective files, and select OK button. To edit the file name and pass of the selected drawing, select the Edit button. To find you, replace a drawing file name and pass selected Find Replace button, then click on Doc Watson. And the top of the project's rollout, the name of the new project, will be appeared in Baltics and also will change to the active project. And this part, I'm going to explain how to switch between the drawings. To switch between drawing, just open any drawing of the active project down from the Tools pane out of the project to select a previous DWG or next one tool to open drawing will be closed, then another drawing, which you requested, will open, and the project list will be shown in bold text. No one to explain about removing a drawing from a project. To do so in the Project Manager, just right click on the drawing name and select the Remove option. At this moment, you can choose Yes button. And finally, the drawing will be removed. Not that it will not be deleted from the folder. It is a stats